They asked, what do you like about him? I said, it isn't life without him. Who are you to put these doubts in my head? I don't think it's fair to stay. Opinions you don't have to say. Everything that bounces around in your head. Cause I know I can be a little bit over dramatic, but I'm obsessed with the habit of loving you. And they don't understand that every single touch is a little bit of magic. And I'm obsessed with the habit of loving you. Cause you make me feel like somebody. 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 Cause you make me feel like somebody. 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 You wrapped your arms around me without looking, you found me. Nobody knows me just the way that you do. Jealous minds will think and say they won't last another day. Who are you to put these doubts in my head? And I know I can be a little bit over dramatic, but I'm obsessed with the habit of loving you. And they don't understand that every single touch is a little bit of magic. And I'm obsessed with the habit of loving you. Cause you make me feel like somebody. 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 Cause you make me feel like somebody. 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 I know, 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 I know that it's you. You make me feel like somebody. 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 Cause you make me feel like somebody. Somebody. Somebody.
Take me to the bay. I wanna watch as all my thoughts are carried in the waves. Lift me to the sun. I'll see the world upon your shoulders like when I was young. Oh, those days are gone, but I remember still, so they live on. As long as I know what's wrong and what is right, long as I know how to love and how to fight, you'll always be a part of me, no matter how I get to be, no matter how gone up to you I seem, I'll always be a little girl. must be hard to watch me grow. Pretty soon we'll be apart and I'll leave home. But I'm glad I never have to feel alone, 'cause you've always been right here for me, and I want you to know, as long as I know what's wrong and what is right, long as I know how to love and how to fight, you'll always be a part of me, no matter how I get to be, no matter how grown up to you I seem. I'll always be your little girl, 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 I'll always be your little girl. You make me nervous and I can't remember when I felt like that last. You take the burden and well, I don't wanna be the one that holds you back. I call you up at 2 a.m. but I can't talk for long before I think of who I am and all the things gone wrong. You make me nervous and I wanna run away to come right back. I always get myself in trouble when I fall in love. Oh, I get so damn uneasy when I think of us. I don't understand if you're on the fence, I'm not making sense, 'cause you make me nervous and you make me nervous and
You make me nervous and I put all the hurting aside. Maybe you're crossing the line, chasing a high you'll never come back from. Hesitation, and if I put you first it'd be my worst mistake.
you make me nervous and I wanna run away to come right back.
I keep thinking
I always get myself in trouble when I fall in love. Oh, I get so damn uneasy when I think of us. I don't understand if you're on the fence, I'm not making sense, 'cause you make me nervous and 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 I keep thinking of us. I keep thinking you make me nervous.
in and out of this FaceTime like all night, acting like it wasn't your Wi-Fi when it's not mine. You ain't been in my zip code in a long time, and your friend said I was the wrong guy, but you forgot why, so it's alright.
It was right here.
I ain't saying that I need you back.
If it was right here, baby.
Then at least I can reach you back. I ain't saying that I need you back.
If it was right here, baby.
If you was right here, if you was right here. You tell Alexa to play me a note from your roommate. The short one is crazy. I came in a Uber, but it's a Mercedes. I gave you a month and you gave me a maybe. And maybe I miss it, or maybe you did. You call me your baby, you up in my crib. You snapping in photos like it was a drip, but I go on your story, but never your grid. So come on, I ain't even tripping about that no more. Ain't afraid to hit me right back no more. You ain't gotta see my zodiac no more. No, no, no. You been steady blowing up the spot though. You just try me out like gelato. No, no, but it's cool, we in and out of this FaceTime like all night, acting like it wasn't your Wi-Fi when it's not mine. You ain't been in my zip code in a long time. And your friend said I was the wrong guy, but you forgot why, so it's alright. I ain't saying that I need you, babe.
If you was right here, baby.
Then at least I can reach you, babe. I ain't saying that I need you, babe.
If you was right here, baby.
If you was right here, if you was right here, you still be frontin' telling me you on the way. You ain't even got your jeans on. And you still be starting stuff and cropping at the foolery before you send a screenshot. And they gon' ask if you a fun time, a one time, a plus one, or a D1. But we been through a lot of trials and just praying that this one right here isn't a free one. I ain't got no service in this parking garage or parking spot that's arguably wrong. You're partly alarmed or start to get on like if love is a drug, it's hard to be on, it's hard to be off. I'm writing that down for part of a song. And holy moly, what you do to me. One day you gon' put the you up in my eulogy. I hit your phone and never work until it's you and me. Cause you know you don't wanna bring it till it's jewelry. Nah. In and out of this FaceTime like all night. Acting like it wasn't your Wi-Fi, but it's not mine. You ain't been in my zip code in a long time. Your friend said I was the wrong guy, but you forgot why, so it's alright. In and out of this FaceTime, acting like it wasn't your Wi-Fi. You ain't been in my zip code in a long time. Your friend said I was the wrong guy, but you forgot why, so it's alright.
My arms are tired from holding this up. My head is wired to work till it's done. Sunlight looks